Are you facing bottlenecks in your garment washing processes? Do delays, inventory mismanagement, and unpredictable workflows cause your team to miss critical production deadlines? Lack of streamlined planning can lead to costly waste, reworks, and unhappy customers. Imagine a solution that not only brings clarity to your entire washing operation but also enhances coordination, reduces waste, and ensures every wash meets quality and delivery standards. Introducing GraphWashPlan, the ultimate software solution for efficient garment washing planning and management. GraphWashPlan offers a complete suite of powerful planning tools to keep your garment washing operations on track. High-level plan board provides a strategic overview, aligning production goals with detailed wash plans. Delivery-wise plan board organizes delivery schedules for materials and chemicals, ensuring your workflow remains uninterrupted. Master Plan Board consolidates timelines, resources, and batch priorities, enhancing team coordination and workflow efficiency. Load Minutes Plan Board optimizes machine use and production capacity, minimizing downtime and ensuring consistent output. Process-wise Quantity Planning Board specifies wash quantities, adapting loads to maintain quality while maximizing storage efficiency. SAM-based Planning Board uses standardized time metrics to optimize wash schedules, allowing for precise planning and reduced turnaround time. Chemical Master Plan Board offers a complete overview of chemical selection, tracking, and replenishment, managing costs and reducing waste. Each tool within GraphWashPlan is designed to tackle specific challenges, from tracking chemical usage to reducing bottlenecks and enhancing machine efficiency. With GraphWashPlan, you'll see immediate benefits. Efficiency boost. Streamlined processes save valuable time, keeping machines running at optimal capacity. Inventory management. Timely delivery tracking prevents downtime and ensures that every wash cycle has the necessary resources. Quality assurance. Monitor washing quality in real time, track rejections, and analyze rewashes to maintain high standards. Environmental impact. Our software also enables you to monitor water usage, chemical costs, and environmental impacts, promoting eco-friendly operations. Our software goes beyond planning to provide valuable insights. Compare your planned goals against actual achievements. Monitor reworks, and track customer-specific orders. All of this contributes to smoother workflows, higher quality standards, and satisfied customers. Ready to transform your garment washing operations? Choose GraphWashPlan today. With our software, streamline your entire workflow, reduce waste, and meet production targets effortlessly. Contact us to get started and take your garment washing to the next level with GraphWashPlan. GraphWashPlan, redefining efficiency in garment washing. Try it today.